Hey guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. We have got this beautiful 2012 Ferrari 458 here in at the Clean Getaway workshop, getting a lot of detailing work done. It is a really well looked after car. It's already got a partial paint protection film kit installed to partially the front bonnet there, the front bumper, and a few other bits and bobs on it. So we're going to be fitting a full piece to the whole bonnet, so there's no lines in there, and it's going to provide the best protection for the full bonnet of this car, as well as doing the rockers, like the side skirts, and also the front fenders, which is really going to provide a much better coverage and better protection. We'll also be performing a paint correction service on it. First, we're going to inspect the paintwork to see what's actually required, what level of correction needs to be done, and then to top it off, we're going to be coating the paintwork with the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating to really provide amazing slickness, the best protection, but also to really increase that gloss and this beautiful, vibrant red color. To top it off, we're actually going to coat the paint protection film, the PPF, with the Gtechniq Halo coating as well. This is going to provide more protection for the PPF film, so we want to protect the film that's protecting the car, and it's just going to give it more slickness, better hydrophobic properties, just to make the car look better and make it easier to maintain. So you can't get much better than that. So let's check this car out. We have finally fitted the paint protection film to the Ferrari behind me. So now it's time to pop it in the coating bay and apply the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating to all the paintwork, and then the Gtechniq Halo to the PPF. Great, so it's been a huge week. We have finally finished the Ferrari 458 here behind me. We have removed the old paint protection film on the bonnet. We have applied the new PPF. We've done a single stage paint correction. We have applied the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra to all the red paint, and then the Gtechniq Halo to all the new PPF. It is looking absolutely unreal. We've coated the wheels, the glass, the exhausts, we've done everything, so it is really well protected. So it's ready to hit the tracks, hit the road, but it's also ready to look amazing, and now it's fully preserved. One Ferrari down, now to get stuck onto this black Ferrari 575 Super America. I love black cars.